Hey everyone, and welcome to Daily Dialogues. I'm Leo.
And I'm Sam. We're here to have another slow, simple chat in English.
That's right. Today's topic is a very important one, a question we ask every single day.
It's true. Probably the most common question between friends, family.
What should we eat?
Yes, ordering food, talking about food. So, Sam, before we start, how are you? You look hungry.
I am a little hungry, actually. I skipped breakfast today.
Oh no, why?
I woke up late. My alarm didn't go off, so I just had a very fast coffee and ran out the door.
That's the worst feeling, a coffee breakfast. Not good.
Not good at all. So now I'm thinking about lunch, and it's only 10 a.m.
Your stomach is talking to you already. Okay, so this is perfect. Let's talk about food. When you go to a restaurant, what is the hardest part for you? Now, I mean now or when you were learning.
The hardest part? I think reading the menu. Sometimes the words are difficult, fancy words.
Oh, I know exactly what you mean. Words like sautéed or au gratin.
Yes, or reduction. I see that and I think, what is that? Is it good? I usually just point to the picture.
Pointing is a good strategy. But let's practice a simpler way. Let's imagine we are at a simple cafe, a casual place, not too fancy.
Okay, good. I like casual. So we sit down, the server comes. What do they say first?
Usually, they say something like, "Hi, how are you today?" Or, "Welcome, can I start you with something to drink?"
Okay, so I can say, I'm good, thank you. And then, can I have a water, please?
Perfect. Simple and clear. "Can I have a water, please?" Or, "Just water for me, thanks."
What about if I want a Coke or a coffee?
You can say, "I'll have a Coke, please." Or, "Could I get a coffee?" "Could I get" is a very nice, polite way to ask.
Could I get a coffee? I like that. Not too difficult.
Right. Then they will give you time to look at the menu. This is the time when friends talk. They say, "So, what looks good?" Or, "What are you thinking?"
And if I don't know, I can say, I'm not sure. Everything looks good.
Yes. Or you can ask your friend or the server for help. You can say, "What's popular here?" Or, "What do you recommend?"
That's a great question. What do you recommend? It means, what do you think is good?
Exactly. And servers usually like that question. They know the menu well. Okay, let's do a little practice. I will be the server.
Oh, okay. I'm nervous.
In a friendly, polite tone, "Hi there, how are you two doing today?"
In a little formal, we are good. Thank you.
Great, can I get you something to drink to start?
Yes, please. Could I get a water and a coffee?
Sure thing, I'll be right back with those. Drops the server voice. See, you did it.
It's not so scary when we practice.
It's not. Now, the big moment, ordering the food. The server comes back and says, "Are you ready to order?" Or, "What can I get for you today?"
And then I have to say what I want.
Yes. The easiest way is to start with, "I'll have," or "I'd like," or "Can I get the—"
So I'll have the cheeseburger, please.
Perfect. Then they might ask you a question. "How would you like that cooked?" For a burger.
Oh, right. I always say medium, please. Not too red, not too brown.
Good. Or they might say, "What kind of side would you like?" A side is like fries, salad, soup.
I'll have fries, please. Or can I have the salad instead?
Yes, instead is a good word. It means you want this, not that. Okay, your turn again. I'm the server. You want a cheeseburger, medium, with fries. Okay, and what can I get for you today?
I'll have the cheeseburger, please.
How would you like that cooked?
Medium, please.
And for your side?
I'll have fries, please.
Excellent. You ordered a full meal, and you were very polite.
Thank you. But what if I want to change something, like no onions on my burger?
Ah, modifications. That's very common. You can say, "Can I have that without onions, please?" Without means not having it.
Without onions, please.
Or if you want extra of something, "Can I have extra ketchup on the side?" On the side means in a small container, not on the food.
That's useful. I love ketchup.
I know you do. Now, my biggest problem when ordering is the price. Sometimes I don't know how much something costs. The menu doesn't say.
That happens, especially with drinks or special items. What do you do?
I just ask. It's okay to ask. I say, sorry, how much is the lemonade? Or how much for a side of avocado?
And they just tell you?
They just tell you. It's a normal question. It's better to ask than to be surprised when you get the bill.
The bill, the check, that's the last part. How do we ask for that?
When you are finished and you are ready to go, you can catch the server's eye and you can say, can we get the check, please? Or check, please.
Simple. Check, please.
And then you pay. In the US, you usually leave a tip for the server, a little extra money for their service.
Right, a tip. That's important.
It is. So, Leo, do you have a funny story about ordering food, a time you made a mistake?
Oh, yes, I have one. From my first year in the US, I went to a diner, a classic American diner.
Oh, diners are great.
Yes, I sat down. The server was a very nice older woman. She said, "What'll it be, hun?" Hun is like honey, a friendly word.
Very friendly.
I looked at the menu. I saw BLT. I didn't know what that was, but it was cheap. So I said, "I'll have the BLT, please."
Okay, bacon, lettuce, and tomato sandwich.
Right, but I didn't know that. So she said, "You want fries or coleslaw with that?" I didn't know what coleslaw was either. It sounded strange. So I said, "Fries, please."
Safe choice.
Yes. Then she said, "And to drink." I wanted tea, but I wanted iced tea, not hot tea. So I said, "Tea, please. Cold."
Iced tea.
Right, but I didn't say iced. So she brought me a cup of hot tea and a BLT sandwich. When I saw the BLT, I was so confused.
Why?
It was just bacon, lettuce, and tomato. I thought, this is it? Just this? In my country, a sandwich has many, many things. Chicken, cheese, vegetables, sauce. This was simple.
Welcome to the classic BLT.
And I had hot tea on a hot day. It was a learning experience. Now I know iced tea and BLT are two very important phrases.
That's a great story. We all have moments like that. The important thing is you got your food, you communicated. Maybe it wasn't perfect, but it worked.
It worked, and the server was nice. She probably saw my confused face.
So for everyone listening, the goal is not perfect English. The goal is communication. I'll have this, please. Can I get that? Check, please. These small phrases are powerful.
They are. And if you don't know something, ask, what's in the BLT? What is coleslaw? It's okay.
Exactly. Be curious. And maybe don't skip breakfast so you're not too hungry to think.
That is good advice. I am definitely eating after this.
Same. So to review, start with a drink order. Ask, what do you recommend? Use I'll have to order. Ask about the price if you need to. And finish with check, please.
You are ready for a restaurant. Good luck and enjoy your food.
Thanks for practicing with us. See you next time.
Bye, everyone.